I want to show you how you use the crochet hook. Actually, you just pull it through the dreadlock, and then you hold the loose hairs between your fingers, so the hook will have the hook side down, and then you can take all the loose hairs and pull them into the dreadlock. So I hold the loose hairs between my fingers, and with the hook down, I pull the hair in. So I hold and I pull the hair in. It's important that you don't pull the hair through. So if the hair gets stuck, you need to wiggle the crochet hook out and don't pull it, because then you'll break the hair. So just working in the loose hairs like this.